Good morning. This is an oral presentation given by me on the topic comparative evaluation of pre-rilling and post-rilling parameters of viability in silkworm. Bombyx mori L race SS6 mediated on various parameters of mulberry during spring season in Jammu division, India. In this slide, I will tell what is mulberry and its varieties. Mulberry is basically the primary and the only host plant of silkworm, Bombyx mori, which is being exploited on commercial scale for the production of seed as well as silk. Mulberry varieties differ from each other in various parameters, and the best evaluator of mulberry is the silkworm itself. About 70% protein contents of raw silk are directly derived from the proteins of the mulberry leaves. Feed consumption has a direct impact on growth of silkworm, cocoon crop, and finally on raw silk yield. What are the various materials and what are the methods? Here, a promising silkworm race SS6 was selected for the study. Three treatments with Chuck Mazra S146 and mixed leaves of both Chuck Mazra and S146 mulberry varieties were designed for feeding the silkworm race under study. Shelf rearing method was followed during rearing. Some cocoons were preserved to record the pre-rearing parameters. Cocoons were sent to demonstration cum technical service center, Ploda, Jammu, for recording the post-reeling parameters. In this slide, we will tell about the effect of mulberry varieties on the pre-reeling and the post-reeling parameters of silkworm race SS6. We have formed a table in the form of pre-reeling parameters and the post-reeling parameters. The following things are observed. Larva of silkworm SS6 when reared on NS146 mulberry variety spun cocoon with maximum filament length, non-breakable filament length and silk weight what minimum pupal weight and fecundity followed by Chuck Mazra mulberry variety. Whereas cocoons obtained from mixed leaves registered minimum filament length, non-breakable filament length and weight of silk what maximum pupal weight and fecundity followed by Chuck Mazra mulberry variety in this case also. Here, the correlation of pupal weight with the fecundity. The following things are observed on the table. The result presented shows highest fecundity with the highest pupal weight followed by Chuck Mazra mulberry variety, whereas lowest fecundity with the lowest pupal weight was reported on an S146 mulberry variety. This shows highly significant positive correlation of pupal weight and fecundity in case of silkworm race SS6 on all the three treatments. In this slide, I have formed a correlation of fecundity with filament length of silkworm race SS6. The following things are observed. Number 1. The result shows longest filament length with minimum fecundity on S146 mulberry variety followed by Chuck Mazra mulberry variety, whereas shortest filament length with maximum fecundity was reported on mixed leaves. Hence, there is a negative correlation between the filament length and the fecundity. We have concluded here of all the parameters. The following things are concluded. Number one, on mixed leaves, the pre-reeling parameters like pupil weight and fecundity was found to be highest, whereas post-reeling parameters like filament length, non-breakable filament length, and the weight of silk was highest on S146 mulberry variety. Chakmazra mulberry variety attained second rank in both these observations. Hence, the feed quality of S146 mulberry variety is better for silk yield. However, mixed leaves is better for seed production. As far as Chakmazra mulberry variety is concerned, it is a second better for both seed production as well as silk yield. Thank you. Thank you very much.